Hello, all. Welcome to the day 18 of the daily case study series for Cbse grade 12. The question goes like this. Shown below are concrete elliptical water pipes, each 10 feet long. The graph given above represents the inner circumference of the elliptical pipe where x and y are in feet. Assume that the water flows uniformly and fully covers the inner cross-sectional area of the pipe. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. First subdivision, write down the equation of the inner cross-section of the pipe. The inner cross-section of the pipe is in the form of ellipse. The standard form of the equation for a ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Here a is 6 and b is equal to 4. So it is x square by 36 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1. Subdivision B. Express y in terms of x. So from the equation we get y square by 16 is equal to 1 minus x square by 36, that is y square is equal to 16 into 36 minus x square by 36. So y is equal to square root of 16 by 36 into 36 minus square. Y is plus or minus 4 by 6 root 6 square minus x square. Subdivision C. Find the inner cross-sectional area of the pipe. Now all the quadrants are of equal area. So we will choose one quadrant to solve this and then multiply by 4 to get the entire area. To get the area of the first quadrant, let's consider a slice along the x-axis. This is dx and the height of this slice is y. So the area of the first quadrant is integral y dx, and the limits of the integration becomes 0 to 6, which is equal to integral 0 to 6. Y is 4 by 6 root 6 square minus x square. This becomes 4 by 6 integral 0 to 6 root of 6 square minus x square. Applying the formula, integral 0 to a square root of a square minus x square dx is equal to x by 2 root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. 4 by 6 x by 2 square root of 6 square minus x square plus a is 6, so 36 by 2 sine inverse of x by 6. Limits 0 to 6. Applying the limits, we get 6 by 2 root 6 square minus 6 square plus 36 by 2 sine inverse of 6 by 6 minus 0 by 2 root 6 square minus 0 square plus 36 by 2 sine inverse of 0 by 6. 6 by 2 root 6 square minus 6 square, this becomes 0. 36 by 2 becomes 18. Sine inverse of 6 by 6 is 1. Sine inverse of 1 becomes pi by 2. And then 0 by 2 root 6 square minus 0 square. This also becomes 0. 36 by 2 sine inverse of 0 becomes 0. So we get 4 by 6 into 18 times pi by 2, which gives us 6 pi square feet. This is the area for one quadrant. So area of the cross section is equal to 4 times 6 pi, which is equal to 24 pi square feet. Subdivision D. Find the volume of water in the pipe at a given instant of time in terms of pi. So volume is equal to area of cross section into height. Area of cross section is 24 pi and height of the pipe is 10 feet, which gives us 240 pi cubic feet. Let's get back with another case study question tomorrow. Thank you all.